That's Miss Haidia. Haidia, I got your letter and your picture. Hi. Should pregnant women who use drugs be charged with attempted murder or child abuse? These are some of the mothers who face charges ranging from attempted murder to child endangerment for using drugs or alcohol while pregnant. Deborah Zimmerman of Wisconsin faces attempted murder charges after giving birth to a child whose blood alcohol level was high, 199, twice the legal limit for an adult in Wisconsin. She allegedly told a surgical aide, "I'm going to keep drinking and drink myself to death. I'm going to kill this thing because I don't want it anyway." Well, Barbara Harris is a Stanton, California homemaker leading this battle to get pregnant women behind bars. Why do you think putting them behind bars is going to solve anything?
The bill that I've had written in California states that once women are convicted of prenatal child neglect, they have a choice. They can go to jail or enter and complete a drug treatment program, which is what we want them to do. And the reason I did that is because what motivated me was the fact that I've adopted 4 out of 8 children born to one drug-addicted mother, and she's never looked for a program. And there's some women in California who have as many as 24 babies in our system.
Babies they keep putting into the system.
But they just leave them in the hospital.
So you have 4 drug-exposed children from the same mother.
Right.
And that mother continues to do drugs and continues to have babies and continues to put those babies into the system.
Right.
But not all of them are ready to continue the path that they're going on as...
We're not saying all of them, but that mother should be stopped from having babies. Do you not think that?
Yeah.
She shouldn't be having babies.
But if these women used Norplant, 7 years they couldn't get pregnant. I believe that that's the solution for mothers like the mother of the children I have.
Dr. Stephen Kandel says pregnant women with drug problems do need treatment. They need treatment and not punishment. He's the author of Substance and Shadow. Tell us why you feel jail won't help the problem.
Oprah, this is a public health problem. This is an overwhelming type of a disease. It's chronic. We expect relapses. It does not constitute failure. For 150 years, we've become more repressive as a society. It has not helped. We're still talking about the same problem. I can't believe that today that the United States is willing to put every woman who takes drugs, who smokes, who engages in any harmful behavior during pregnancy, who works at a potentially dangerous job, who rides a motorcycle into prison. I just can't believe that that's where this country is actually going. If life circumstances were different, every woman in this audience might be sitting on that stage telling a similar story. And by the way,
what should happen to mothers who continuously, 8 children into the system, one mother? What should happen?
This is a devastating disease. It's an overwhelming disease. And by the way, when I was in medical school, they told me that pregnancy takes a man and a woman. These are all women being prosecuted in the United States. Where are the men in this picture? It's the women that are taking the brunt of the attack here.
A lot of the women don't know who the fathers are. They're prostituting. They couldn't tell you who the father was if you asked them.
But
I mean,
never
that's
met
the
the birth
reason
mother.
it's hard to find.
You've never met the birth mother of all
No, I've written to her. I've sent her pictures. She doesn't acknowledge me or her children.
None of these women wants to be in that circumstance. Everybody would want to be at a different point in their life. This is a tragic circumstance.
But that doesn't help the children. Everybody wants to make this a women's issue. It's not about the women. It's about the children.
The